So this is Transnistria speaking with Anton and Colin and Comrade Lenning on Victory Day, and yeah, your impressions of the country and the tour, please.
It's very old, it's very Soviet-like, and it's nice to see a bit of the Soviet Union still in Europe, basically. So it's a very interesting place to come, and I would recommend it to anyone.
Cool.
And your tour is brilliant, by the way. Yes.
Thanks. So guys, don't be afraid, mount up and visit Transnistria. This tour is personally recommended by Vladimir Lenin. Check Wikipedia.
I agree.
You thought you won't be there. You thought you won't be there in the video. You are. Now you are. Okay.
Cool.
9 seconds. Well, no comment. What else can I add?
Give
Transnistria
your
is a must-see.
website address.
Transnistria is a must-see.